morning, guys. We are out again on a Sunday. It's another Brass Monkey motorcycle riding meetup, and today is 35 degrees right now, and it is almost noon. I put the address in my GPS. As you can see, it's been calculated for 80%. It's 80% calculating. I don't know what the deal is, so we'll get there when we get there, I reckon. I think there's going to be at least three of us today, maybe four. 3 members and one tag along, I guess is a way to put the guy. Brian is possibly bringing a friend of his along for the ride today. Somebody commented on one of my previous videos. I guess they were on the fence of buying a new adventure bike and hadn't decided on a model, and asked me how I feel about mine. And let me see if I can find the what my actual mileage is here. So I have just over 4,000 miles on the motorcycle so far, and I absolutely have zero regrets with buying this motorcycle. I have loved every mile I put on it so far, every one of them, and I just like this bike. And everybody, you know, complains, well, it gets hot. Well, yeah, the motor does get warm, but I haven't noticed it really giving me a hard time. Like, and every motorcycle I've ever ridden, the engine gets hot. It's what they do when you ride them, you know. Now anything is going to be hot and uncomfortable in the middle of the summer if you're in traffic sitting still. I had a Ducati that absolutely hated to sit still because it was air cooled, and I will tell you that is not fun if there's traffic on an air cooled motorcycle. You know how hot they get. But I haven't noticed anything uncomfortable. I haven't ridden it a lot in the summer. I did buy it towards the end of August, but I haven't had it through a whole summer yet, so that has yet to be determined. But from what I've felt so far, I'm completely okay with it. If my legs do get a little warm going down the road, I just, you know, push my knees out into the wind a little bit and they can cool right off. So I don't know why everybody complains about little things. About every motorcycle you own, I'm sure that there's some complaints about it. I mean, no motorcycle is perfect. If you have the perfect motorcycle, you'll never let it go, I'll tell you that. So I just don't think there is one. But I hadn't had a buyer's regret with any motorcycle I've ever owned. So there you have it. No regrets. That's not to say that if I had bought a different motorcycle, would I have any regrets? I seriously doubt it. I just like the ride. Really don't care what I'm riding, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with the GPS. I might have to stop and turn it off and turn it back on to see if that helps. It's a beautiful day, other than the temperature being mid-30s.
A few moments later.
There goes John. We just had a meetup here, and he's on his way home. Thanks, guys, for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really, really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, and the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig sent me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. And that's what YouTube is all about in my book. You guys be safe. Thanks again. Really do appreciate you guys watching.